Sorry, I forgot to make my video yesterday for my 30-day challenge. I was so tired, I just passed out. Well, actually, my dad asked me to watch Bill and Ted's Excellent Adventures, or whatever the name is called, so I passed out in his room. But anyways, again with these lights making me look orange. So I'm going to talk about siblings. I have an older sister, Danielle, and a little sister, Kiana. I guess you could say we're pretty close, but sometimes I just want to, my little sister, I would be sent to jail. Her name is MC Coolio, if you want to add her on YouTube. My big sister had her baby, so I'm an auntie, or ate. If you're Filipino, you'll get that. Sometimes you guys can really annoy me. But I know after high school, after college, after everything, I'm only gonna have you guys. So even if I hate to say this, I do love you, so shut up. Yeah, so peace and love, bro, huh?